Well, that was Lou Raguse reporting. There are 70 total defendants in this case. 18 have already pleaded guilty. They will need to be sentenced along with the 5 people convicted today. One person involved has died. 44 others still face trials, which are expected to take place this year. Ian Russell continues our team coverage with what's next. Ian?
And Julie, well, as you mentioned, there are a lot more people still waiting for their day in court. So the big question after today's verdict is how this will impact the remaining trials.
We're pleased with the verdict. We're proud of the trial.
As the first of the Feeding Our Future trials wraps up,
There are more trials to come in the Feeding Our Future cases and investigations.
those in this room know there will be more of these conversations. Because inside this building Friday, 5 of the first 7 defendants were found guilty. And for those watching on the outside, it's what comes next that they're now looking to.
The jury had to make a lot of decisions about each individual person.
Rachel Moran is an associate law professor at the University of St. Thomas. She points to the split verdict as a good sign and one that means the jury did their job correctly.
It suggests that the jury is carefully considering each individual person's liability, their own actions.
Moran also says it's important to pay attention to the fact that 2 defendants were found innocent.
Just happy for my client and thankful for the jury's service.
Saeed Farah and Abdiwala Aftin.
When you have a mass prosecution like this, sometimes people do just get swept in.
Defense attorney Steve Slisher agrees, saying Farah was likely brought into this because his brother Abdiaziz Farah was the primary defendant. He too points to a more careful approach going forward.
I think what we can expect is that they're going to focus on specific evidence as to specific defendants and give the jury something very solid to hang on to.
The 2 men found not guilty are now free, and the other 5 will remain in jail, possibly until their sentencing date, which will be scheduled later. Julie?
All right. Thank you, Ian.